Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of June 29th, today's news sees developments surrounding U.S. Iran relations, the energy market, and updates from various companies in the power and communications sectors. In a significant step toward diplomatic resolution, technical teams from the U.S. and Iran are set to convene in Doha to advance talks stemming from the interim peace deal signed on June 17th. Mediators have established communication channels to manage de-escalations following recent tensions, including weekend military exchanges. Although a senior Iranian official indicated uncertainty regarding the confirmation of these meetings, the ongoing discussions aim to stabilize the situation regarding the Strait of Hormuz, a vital maritime route for oil and gas transport, impacting global energy prices. The aluminum market saw prices dip as concerns over potential Middle Eastern supply disruptions lessened amidst talks between Washington and Tehran. On the London Metal Exchange, benchmark aluminum prices fell to $3,163 per metric ton, reflecting a 16% decrease since peaking earlier in the month due to conflict-related supply issues. European spot electricity prices surged, driven by a predicted decline in wind power generation and increased demand. The German day-ahead baseload contract rose by 30.4% to €183 per megawatt-hour, largely influenced by significant curtailments at French nuclear reactors due to high river temperatures, which currently reduce output by 3.4 gigawatts. On the corporate front, NKT announced the completion of an expansion at its medium-voltage power cable facility in Asnaes, Denmark, enhancing production capacity with new facilities and improvements to the production flow. Concurrently, Hexatronic entered into a strategic partnership with NKT, committing to invest in a new production line for submarine fiber-optic cables, significantly boosting its manufacturing capacity. European markets generally reflected caution, with Milan's Borsa closing down by 0.2%, as investors remained focused on the fragile U.S. Iran ceasefire. Despite a rebound in Nasdaq performance, broader European indices remained subdued. In individual stock movements, Prysmian saw a modest gain of 1.3%, while other sectors such as aerospace and energy stocks also showed positive momentum. The U.S. energy landscape is facing challenges, with over $121 billion in investments for wind and solar projects threatened due to stalled permitting processes from policies initiated during the Trump administration. This halt could impede the development of 92 gigawatts of clean energy projects, critical for meeting future power demands. In the U.S. judicial landscape, the Supreme Court rejected former President Trump's unprecedented attempt to fire Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, reaffirming the independence of the central bank, which is significant amid ongoing economic policy discussions. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.